This video is presented by VoiceOver article. First of all, tax information about moving overseas is important because of the fact that it allows people to budget their finances. When a person moves overseas, the experience would be like beginning a new life. This means every detail, especially finances, needs to be taken into account. Some people, when they are anticipating expenses, tend to forget taxes. Although people hate paying taxes, they know that it is a necessary part of life and they often choose to disregard it. Except during auditing periods, people usually try to forget about taxes. Of course, people pay taxes, but they like to do so in such a way that they would not actively pay taxes. Most have it deducted straight from their income. Having tax information about moving overseas enables a person to anticipate the expenses. It will give the person an idea of how to save cash on moving. This, of course, will help a person have a great start in his or her new world. Having tax information about moving overseas also gives you a glimpse of your destination. As we all know, taxes are set by governments. By knowing tax information about moving overseas, you can draw some conclusions regarding the government of your destination. Of course, all taxes tend to be seen by people as unreasonably high. Because of your own bias, you need to have some sort of standard to base your judgment on. The best thing to do is to compare the tax rate of your destination with the tax rate of your origin. If you see some significant differences, that would reflect the difference in the economic development of the two places. Where do you get tax information about moving overseas? Well, usually, this can be provided by various government offices like the DFA. It is also possible that you can get this information from a consulate. However, this can be a bit inconvenient and not to mention difficult ordeal. The best thing you can do is research on the internet. On the internet, various overseas moving companies would be willing to give you the tax information about moving overseas that you need. As we all know, the internet today is the largest and most comprehensive source of information. Its power is actually only matched by its accessibility. The internet today lets people connect with each other wherever they are in the whole world. This means that you would not only get tax information about moving overseas, you would also get various tips and advice regarding what to do with that information. Tax information about going overseas can be valuable in the same manner as all types of information can be valuable. It needs the right person to give it the right value. Because of this, it is always important to consider the value of a piece of information carefully before dismissing it. You need to know that the right information in the right hands can be a very powerful thing. This video is presented by VoiceOver article.